What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at which are the 5 famous wine regions of France. Yes, it starts with Bordeaux to the southwest. Bordeaux, we're going to be looking at how to pronounce the name of those 5 wine regions as well. Bordeaux, followed by Champagne. In French, we do not say Champagne, but rather Champagne. Then comes Burgundy. Burgundy, or as we say in French, Bourgogne. Bourgogne is French for Burgundy. Follows Loire along the longest river in France, the Loire River, the Loire Valley. And finally, the biggest wine region in France, which is the Languedoc. But of course, why would you limit the number of famous wine regions to 5? It'd be a shame not to include Alsace, for example. So I've also made the 6 famous wine regions of France video. Here it is if you want to learn more about it. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.